This is a video of me unboxing the Masterbuilt turkey deep fryer that I got from, I think, yes, Walmart. And I was looking forward to frying turkey this year, which turned out absolutely marvelous. You can see cutting open the box, so has not been opened before. And new to the whole trying to open things and keep the camera stable, etc. motions. But this is me just opening this box. Probably a little bit slower than I otherwise would have done so. Then I have a little moment where it's a bit of a struggle to get it out, but I do finally get it out of the box. Get these little foam thingamajiggy-bobs that keep it safe, which it's good that I had those on there because the box had this giant dent in the side, and I was genuinely concerned that there was going to be damage because it seemed pretty deep. But for the most part, those little foam things did in fact protect the fryer from damage. So this is side, and it's Thanksgiving Day as I am struggling to get this turkey breast into this deep fryer. The basket doesn't lock in place, as you'll see in the video, and it is kind of difficult to get it to stay put because the turkey breast is not necessarily a flat surface. It probably was more designed for the whole turkey instead of just a turkey breast. But if you look at the pictures, then you will see everything turned out pretty alright in the end. We ended up with smoked turkey breast, fried turkey breast, and roasted turkey breast, along with the other accoutrements that tend to come with a good Thanksgiving meal. This was not a sponsored video for Masterbuilt. I just thought I would do a bit of a review video if they would love to send me stuff to try, or maybe tell me a better way to lock that basket in place, because I did try to fry like French fries and onion rings on a different day. And if you aren't careful and don't balance it out just right, it's hard to get into the fryer. It wiggles a whole lot. So if they can give me some ideas of how to stabilize that a little bit, that'd be awesome. Otherwise, this was just me showing y'all what I got. Hope you have a great day and take care.